welcome back to Makayla's Playground. Today we're gonna do a Dunkin' Donut DIY kit, and I'm back with my daddy.
Chef Daddy.
Hey
guys.
So I'm gonna take this hat off. It doesn't fit me. Doesn't fit me.
Fix your hair. Let me fix your hair.
Yeah, look at Daddy's shirt. And it.
I actually have a six-pack like that.
No, you don't.
Hey, don't give it away. It's a secret.
He says
We're back.
no. Let's open this. So let me turn it around so they can see. Here's the donuts.
Okay, let's show them.
You like all of them.
Okay, so let's show them the camera. So if you look, there's 8 donuts and
So it comes with
8 flavors.
it comes with 3 flavors.
Oh.
Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good.
You did it.
So it comes with, so it has all those containers. So 2 containers are sprinkles, 2 is chocolate, 2 is strawberry, 2 is vanilla.
So let's organize them.
So let's.
Oh, these are extras. These are just doubles. Yeah, we don't need to open all of them, do we? No, because we have an extra one. So
Yeah, those are doubles.
we got doubles right here. Chocolate, vanilla, sprinkles.
You probably need double of this. I mean, you need all the sprinkles.
Okay. Okay. For your tools, make sure you have
And guys,
It did come with 2 plastic butter knives.
Oh.
it has 2 plastic butter knives. And guys, these are very dangerous for kids, so be careful and not to get it close to your eye.
Right.
Because it has sharp things on it.
Right. Sharp butter knives. Careful, children.
And we have little plastic knives
Right.
inside, but we're actually
And tell them the most important thing about this: wash your hands.
wash your hands.
Okay. First thing first. Tell me what's the instructions?
First, step 1, get a donut you want. I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay.
And donut eyes because I can see well.
Good. I hope you're planning on eating that one.
Step 2, pick your frosting.
Okay, what do you like?
I'm going to do chocolate,
Okay.
which is my favorite.
What a surprise. And I'm gonna do this white vanilla.
And guys, let me show you how to frost. So first you
There's 2 techniques. This is one.
this is a kind of technique I bet.
No, don't wipe it.
I need a towel, please. Okay, break time.
Instant replay. Her wiping her hands on the table.
Replay that. I wiped it on the tablecloth.
Okay, so it's kind of messy, but
Yeah.
if you like to frost it a lot, you could go heavy duty.
Dad jokes. Boo.
Okay, I'm done with my frosting. I only like broccoli and healthy stuff.
Brock? Ew, Bronco.
What kind would you like? What kind would you like, miss?
Broccoli donuts is good.
Yeah, it is good. What
It's
kind would
really
you like? Okay, so this is mine. It actually spreads on pretty easy.
These
Wow.
are gonna look delicious.
Wow, you must have made donuts. How many years have you been making these donuts?
I think I've been making them for 10 years.
10 years?
Or 11 years. I've been making them for 11 years.
And how old are you?
6.
That's amazing. It's alright, it's alright if you spill them, just ants will come.
It looks like I got ants in my pants.
Makayla jokes. Okay, can I borrow some sprinklers?
Sprinkles.
Okay, whoa. Right there, a little bit more.
We forgot to give Daddy his cup of coffee before the video.
We can do it on our video.
Replay.
Oh, yeah, that's what he does.
Whoa, what is that? What are you doing?
She always makes fun of you on the videos.
Man, that was contagious.
I tried to yawn it too.
You yawned me. Okay, so this is a vanilla. Oh.
This is the daddy technique donut.
Oh.
put it down more.
This is a daddy. Oh, this is a daddy technique donut.
And this is the Makayla technique donut, which is a brown one.
Wow.
Which is
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Chocolate. Wow, that looks amazing.
So let's taste it.
Take a bite,
Go ahead.
Joe.
Mmm,
Like it?
these are good.
Cheers. Mm-hmm.
Mmm, these are good.
Really good. This is actually really good. This is actually, man,
It's a good idea, huh?
very good idea for family and kids. Thumbs up.
You should make a pink one now, and then you should do like a rainbow one.
That will be such a great idea.
Oh, sorry, Grandma.
You taste the other side.
Okay, I won't get your germs. Oh,
What?
so disgusting.
What? What?
She's just kidding.
And-
Oh, OMG, huh? We're
Is it good?
professional. We're professional donuts.
Is it good? Is it good?
Delicious.
Okay, so we're gonna make another custom donut.
What's it taste like?
Kind of tastes like bubble gum.
Does it taste like bubblegum?
Kinda.
Let me see.
Here, you could put a little touch your finger. No, not your tongue. Get your finger. Right there.
Oh, I didn't take it. It kind of tastes like a bubblegum strawberry.
It kind of.
That tastes like really good.
Right.
Tastes very good. Very, very, very good.
Okay, guys. So I finished this donut.
I'm not done.
Okay, let's make it a masterpiece. Half strawberry, half messy.
That's so good.
Okay, so that's that one. This looks like this will be for breakfast tomorrow morning. So that's half of it, and we barely even
Can I
took
take
a quarter
Can
out
I
of
just
one.
lick this?
And then put it back.
Putting it back.
Oh, thank you.
Wonderful.
It's
I
good
like
thing,
it.
That's good.
it's good that we have an extra.
Mommy is gonna try one bite, just one small
Yeah,
bite.
I think she should.
Mommy is the judge of the lead-ins.
Yeah, because my stomach is weak, huh?
Because you get all sick all the time.
Yeah, because you give me bean boozled all the time.
No.
And chili and heartburn and more bean boozled heartburn.
What? Alright,
That's a lot of sprinkles too that it comes with.
Yeah, it comes with a lot of sprinkles. So here's a light hack. Put this back in the sprinkle jar for your other baking goods. Good deal, huh? Okay, let's show everyone.
So, this got stuck. Get out of here.
It's all stuck on the
Get
top.
out of here.
Is that glue
Yeah.
or frosting?
So, here's my technique. What do you think, guys?
Woo!
Do you like it? Comment down below who made the better donuts, me or Dad.
Well, that was cool. That actually is a good kit. I think that's a fun
So-
kit.
Okay. I definitely recommend it.
One more little bit.
What?
Just one more of the Dunkin Donuts. And
Okay.
we'll save some tomorrow.
Okay, you want to make one more? Okay, sit
Yeah.
on your chair.
So
Okay,
what you
Makayla's gonna make the final Dunkin' Donut.
And let me get something right fast.
I actually like the donuts plain, like this. I like these. These are good. With some milk. Ooh.
Milk?
Oh no, this is a mess.
What?
Oh no.
This is a mess.
We're gonna have to cut a hole.
Want me to help you? Let me help you. The whole baby. Ooh.
Wow.
Good job.
Nothing. We're just talking about bugs.
We're just talking about bugs outside. Let me see the wink again. Are you good? What? That's sneaky. No, never know. You're winking.
M&M's, which is how
Dad just yawned. Dad just yawned.
Oh my god. I worked 72 hours today. I'm tired. You have chocolate.
You have a chocolate mustache.
Okay, so this donut's looking amazing. Whoa.
Wow! That is a fully loaded donut.
I think you missed the spot.
What technique is that?
It's called a Makayla joke day.
Oh.
Wow. That actually looks really cool though. Look, show the camera.
So here's my falling sprinkle technique, which is
Wow.
good.
Finish chewing and you have 38 sprinkles on your lips. How was it?
Good.
Okay. Well, I can't see. Lights out? Is the video over?
No.
I think that would be good. We get another kit and then we could have, different toppings.
Yeah,
we could just do different toppings for fun.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another Dunkin' Donut Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. And remember, if you want to get these Dunkin' Donut cakes, just go to the donut shop. And if you want to get these frosting, if you run out, just get more Dunkin' Donuts and the donuts.
So simple.
And these sprinkles. So, thank you all for watching. Stay good at home. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Bye.
Bye guys. See you later.